If you were a lighting business owner, there's a lot of them listening to this, like, what would you say you would look for if you're looking to bring on a second lighting designer?
The things I would look for is obviously personable. You have to be somebody that could walk into any room, whether it's a billionaire or a tradesman, and have a conversation with them and be personable. That's key. I think in any field, especially in sales, design, you want to be able to have someone that can relate to anybody, and definitely someone that comes off as honest. You don't want somebody that is the used car salesman vibe. You want somebody that has integrity, honest, and can hold a conversation. And of course, you want someone creative. You want somebody that has a vision, that is artistic, is not just going to follow a cookie cutter same thing, that is open to coming up with their own. Sometimes I might have differ from you, and you might differ from me on a design, and you'll do something I'm like, man, I wish I would have thought of that. That's really cool what Pat did. And that's the kind of stuff I would want. I would want someone that's willing to kind of open their eyes to other creative possibilities, but definitely being personable.